Hey guys, Patrick with Browder Fleet back here again. Replacing this gearbox right here. Already had it off and installed the new one. Just a quick little video. Make sure you take pictures of what you're working on before you disassemble, especially if it'll be a while before you come back to the job. I had to refer to my pictures this morning because it's been several weeks waiting on parts and trying to find the time to get back to it. But I'm back here at it today. Also, when you're doing a job, just pay attention when you're taking things apart. Most guys would just put the puller on there, take the pitman arm off. And you see that little arrow right there? That's your timing mark. And that's how you're going to line up your pitman arm. See, the pitman arm has two little dots. You're going to line that arrow up in those two little dots. Now I got it all lined up. And that's just a quick lesson on why you should take pictures, and make sure you pay very close attention to what you're doing when you take stuff apart, or it's going to be really hard to get things back together the proper way.